Hi guys, Kelly from Wave here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a speaker to an event in Wave. So once you're on your events page, which you can find by going to Tools and then Events, and then from there, we're going to find our event that we want to add a speaker to. So I'm going to click these three dots here and then just go to Edit Speakers. And that will take us through to the speakers page. So you can see I've already got one speaker added in here, but to add a new one, we're just going to click Add Speaker. And then from here, we can start filling in our speaker details. So I'm just going to use myself as an example. So I'm just going to add my name and then just a title. And then we can also add a description here as well. So I'm just going to put a fake one in as an example. But you normally use the section just for a short bio about the speaker, their background, experience, or even just a little bit about what they're talking about at the event maybe as well. So I'm going to put that in there. And then just down below here, you can also put their phone number in email. And then you can also put some social links in. So always good to add social links, just gets people to go to the speakers' socials to find them, so to find out a little bit about themselves. So just as an example, I'm just going to add the Wave website. Just grab that link and then put that in there. So all you need to do is just copy and paste your URL where you want that social link to go to. And then to add another social link, we'll just go add new social link. And then I'm also going to add in the Wave LinkedIn as well. And then just copy and paste that in there. Pretty easy. And they've also got the option to upload a headshot as well. Definitely good to add one if you have it, just because it makes the speaker section look a bit more complete and then helps people put a face to the name at the event as well. So I'm just going to go click to upload. And I'm just going to grab this image here and go open. And you'll see once it pops up in there, we can go save. And we can upload that in there. Perfect. And then once you see that uploaded in there, you know it's good to go. And then now that we put our details in, I'm going to go save. And then from there, if I go into view event page, you can see that my speaker is all in there. And then if I click on here, you'll see the description we put in there as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Look out for other videos going over the event features and reach out to the Wave team if you have any questions. But yeah, see you next time. Thanks.